Football ladies number 4, wacha tupate award. Mheshimiwa Wizat Hilary ameenda Hilary ameenda. Haya, Kaluma simama tu hapo bado. Football number 3 Kapkorech FC. Kapkorech FC wako wapi? Peter patia hao zawadi yao. Benja Alan Senator Alan Chesang, stand here tafadhali. Well done Kapkorech FC, 300,000. Thank you. Number 2 Sociot FC. Sociot FC wako wapi? Well done Alan Chesang, simama tu hapo. Wapi ya number 3 Sociot FC? Very good. Tafadhali turudi Juma Let's go back a bit. Yeah, thank you. Sociot FC, thank you. Number 2 Kapkugerwet Stars. Haya, SportPesa wako wapi? From SportPesa, let's have representation from SportPesa. Stand here. Kapkugerwet Star Girls, reward them. Wanajipatia 1 million Kenya shillings. Makofi kwao. 1 million Kenya shillings. Thank you very much. Last but not least, the champions for ladies 2025 Elite FC. Moja. Okay, for the champions. For the champions. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations to Mercy and your team. Bas, thank you. Aya, tusonge. Senator, thank you. SportPesa. Ministry of Sports. We had a representative from Ministry of Sports.